Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a full face of nothing new. Now this is a video that I've seen going around the past couple of weeks. I saw Allie Glines do this and Holmes recently just did this, and I was like, why not use some of the products that I haven't really used in a while? So that is what today's video is going to be about. If you're interested, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First things first, we're going to pull this hair back. And for primer today, I have the Ordinary High-Adherence Silicone Primer. Now I have used this before. I've only used it once though, so I'm not exactly sure what I think of it. So we're going to see. It feels very, very moisturizing and really nice actually on the skin. It's got a little bit of a tacky feel to it, which I actually really like because it's going to make my foundation last longer. And then I'm going to go ahead and jump into foundation. I'm taking Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. This is in 705. This is the lightest shade that they have, but it is still a little bit too dark for me. So I do have to mix in some of the LA Girl Pro Coverage white foundation mixer. I'm just going to add just a little bit of the white in here. Mix it together. It's a little light now. Let's see. This is the only problem that I have with this foundation. Like, it's actually like a very, very beautiful foundation, but it's just way too dark. I have a horrible time mixing it to my right shade. And it literally looks the same. Okay, we're just gonna roll with this because I'll literally be here all day long mixing. I'm just going to take my Thrive Causmetics sponge and blend it in. And for concealer, I have the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. Fun fact, this was the very first higher end concealer that I bought, and I still love it. I just haven't used it because I've been trying to use more affordable ones, but this one is really nice. Now I'm going to set my face with the Coty Airspun powder. I'm going to set the rest of my face with this powder as well, but I recently just watched Nikki Tutorial's new video on the Fenty powder, and she said that she hates setting her foundation with a brush because it like moves around the product, and I have that same exact problem. So what she does is she takes a little powder puff and powders the rest of her face. So that's what I'm going to do today and see how that works out for me. She said that it does leave your skin looking very powdery, but at the end when you put on setting spray, it just kind of like melts into your skin and looks so much better. Okay, my face is looking very powdery right now, but I have hope that it'll come together in the end. Now for bronzer, I'm going to take the Morphe Bronzer. This is the bronzer and contour. I have it in the shade Celebutant. It just looks like this. This on me is just not a contour, it's just purely a bronzer. I like to just swirl my brush in and mix both of them together. So that's what we're gonna do today to bronze up the face. It just warms up the face really nicely. I love that a lot. And for blush, I have the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Vintage Rouge. And for highlighter, I have the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Wisp. I'm going to quickly set the face with the Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray. Now I'm going to move on to brows. I'm going to do my brows with the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in Champagne Blonde. And then I am going to set them in place with the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. Now for eyes, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Mad for Matte palette. It just looks like this. Just some pretty matte neutral shades. I'm going to take this shade right here, just pop it in my crease as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here just to deepen up the crease. And I'm going to kind of push that into the outer corner as well. Okay, now that I have that laid down, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Chrome Paint in Top Yacht. Just looks like that. It's like a super beautiful color. I'm just going to go in with my finger and apply it on the lid. Woo! Now it is looking messy right now, but I'm gonna go in and clean it up here in just 1 second. I'm just gonna go back into our palette and then just go in with the transition shade that we used and just kind of clean it up. But I'm going to take a more precise brush to do it. Okay, and on the lower lash line, I'm just going to mix the 2 shades that I have in my crease right now and put them under my lower lash line. I just didn't want a very, you know, dramatic eye look today. I just wanted something more natural. But it quickly kind of got out of hand. But this eye look is really simple and easy to do. That's just what I like to do on my eyes. I don't like to use like a whole bunch of different colors. I just like, you know, like 1, 2, 3 maybe colors on my eyelids. I like to call it none. I guess that's kind of like the laziness in me coming out. Now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon. This is in the shade Earthquake. And I'm just going to run this in my waterline. And now I'm going to put the L'Oreal Lash Paradise on my lashes for mascara. And for lips, I'm going to go in with MAC's Velvet Teddy. I just love this color so much. It is like my perfect nude shade. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it and you want to see other videos like this one, make sure and give it a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. I love you all. Bye!